got him, Hope. Elliot's lined up the proxies. I've talked to our biggest clients. They're all as fed up with Miles as we are.
So you're going to force Miles out of the agency he created, that he built up from nothing?
He's changed. His methods are manipulative and unproductive. It's like working for Mussolini.
But Miles gave you a job when we were starving.
Do you think I don't know that? The thought of it haunts me every minute of the day. Only it's him or me.
Well, I don't think it's Miles that's changed.
Maybe I have changed. My God, am I turning into my father?
With his head.
Go ahead, make jokes. It's not as if we didn't warn Miles.
Who stole my tarts?
Who?
Was it you? Up with his head!
This isn't funny, Hope.
Tarts!
I just think that you owe Miles a little more than cutting him off at the knees.
My life went into this book, and now finally it's finished.
I'm sure it'll be worth every minute you spent on it.
I'll say, this is my ticket to tenure.
We're so very proud of you.
I can't wait to read it.
I hope it's better than the last one.
Stop it, you old hag. It was a damn fine book.
It's why I came to England in the first place.
It was as dull as dishwater. It landed me the job at the university, which is just what I wrote it for.
Put me to sleep quicker than all those little green pills. Chelsea, yuppie, hacks, hubby. Alice in Wonderland possessed me. Now that's writing.
You know, your book changed my life. I read the first chapter, and I switched majors.
Oh, I hope it's got a couple of juicy murders in it. And a bit of steamy sex wouldn't hurt either.
Let's see. Fright and fraud. Ethno-biocentric morphogenesis of the Mephisto fallacy. I doubt it. Catchy title.
I'm sure it's a cracking good read.
Academics don't want a cracking good read, Dad. They want dull, stuffy, pompous books.
And you're just the man to give it to them.
A couple of jokes might help.
Well, I think it sounds fascinating.
Well, I thank you all for your interest. Randy, you can have the privilege of being the first person to read it. And probably the last.
How can you expect a publicist to be excited about your book when you're so bored by it?
Because every university library is run by a committee of professors, all writing duller books than mine. And every member of every committee gets to vote for every book, so that when their own ghastly dissertations are finally published, everyone else buys them.
Oh, how can you be so cynical?
Welcome to academia. What do you mean it won't sell?
It's a doorstop, a lead weight, commercial suicide pill.
This book fills a vacuum in the field. It exposes the mythological foundations.
Snooze.
It's exactly what you publish.
Published. This is what we publish now. We want scorching. We want commercial. Like this. Slob Dog is phenomenal. It's going to be a major publishing event. It cuts across all demographic lines. Kids cuddle him. Adults think he's a riot.
What about Trident Publishing's 50-year commitment to academic publications?
Bankrupt, right along with the rest of the division, which is why it's been acquired for peanuts by Tri-X Multi-Products International.
But I have a contract.
There. Invested wisely. I recommend Tri-X stock.
Surely someone appreciates the need for academic books. The need to educate as well as entertain.
Some guy, Gans's Antiquarian Books, sent that to Dave McDonald, the new president of the company. When he saw it wasn't porno, he tossed it in the trash. I dug it out because I thought it would look classy on my desk.
This money is meaningless to me. I want to educate, to illuminate, to explore the boundaries of my field. My career is writing on this. A professor's reputation is built on his published works. If you don't publish, you perish.
All right, I'll make you a deal. But you gotta meet me halfway. Now, this mythological stuff, what it comes down to is monsters, ghosts, blood, and gore, right?
If you look at it superficially, yes.
Look at it commercially, which is how you better start looking at things if you want to get published. Now, horror is hot, hot, hot. Stephen King, literary giant. Appeal to that crowd, you got a winner. Now, give me lots of blood, lots of italics, some sizzle.
Juicy murders, steamy sex, a couple of jokes.
You got it. Jazz it up. I knew you'd understand.
I'd change the title if I were you.